Hi, welcome to my online math classes. In this video, we are going to discuss the Vedic Mathematics and its tricks, and a playlist of a complete course of Vedic Mathematics was created. You can find the link in the description. So by clicking on that link, you will move to the playlist. So now in this video, we will discuss how to get a product within seconds if 41 is multiplied with 111 and the remaining problems you can view on the screen. So there are up to 50 problems. I will try to explain you around one problem for each model and the selected problems in 10 minutes. So let us start the video, and before starting this video, I request all people, just give a subscribe. It will take only 1 minute or less than 1 minute, and give a like and share it with your relatives and students. Thanks in advance. This procedure, we called it as a double knot sandwich rule. So write down the first problem. So 41 is multiplied with 111. So take double knots on both sides. Okay. So how many ones? That much of digits are to be added together. So how many ones is here? You can see there are 3 ones now. So 3 digits has to be added together each time. Okay. So first add this 1 0 0. You know that will be 1. Okay, cancel that last digit. Now move backward. Again, select last 3 digits, that is 4 1 0. Sum them up. So 4 plus 1 plus 0, it will be 5. Again, cancel one more 0. Okay. For doing each sum, we will cancel the last digit like this. Next, select the last 3 digits of this entire number. 0, 4, 1 are the last 3 digits. Now do the sum of those digits. 0 plus 4 plus 1, how much? It will be 5. Now cancel the 1. Now add these all the 3 digits. 0 plus 4, how much? 4 itself. Now this is the answer. Because there are no digits in there exist. So the process will end up now. So the answer is 4551. Hope you understand this technique. Let's move to the problem number 6. 72 multiplied with 111. Okay. So we will use the double knot sandwich rule. Now we will take 3 last digits at a time and we will sum them all the digits and the result will be as our answer. So 2 plus 0 plus 0, it will be 2. 0 got cancelled. Next, last 3 digits. 7 plus 2 plus 0, which is 9. Cancel is 0. Again add the last 3 digits. 0 plus 7 plus 2, again 9. Cancel is 2. Last 3 digits, 0 plus 7, which is 7. 7 is cancelled. Now there is no 3 digits, so the process will stop here. So that means the result is, the answer is 7900. I done this problem number 6. So 7992. Understood? Now we will do this problem because it's a different model. So problem number 26. 254 multiplied with 111. And we will use double knot technique, double knot sandwich rule. Okay. So same process is applied Add last 3 numbers, 3 digits, 4 plus 0 plus 0. It will be 4. So, last 0 cancel the last 0 and add again the last 3 digits of this number. 5 plus 4 plus 0, it will be 9. Cancel the last digit and again move backward and select last 3 digits and add it again. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. So, 1 will be written and 1 will be carry forwarded. This 4 got cancelled. Now, last 3 digits 0 to 5. 0 to 5, how much? It will be 7 and this carry forwarded number 7 plus 1 is 8. Again cancel the last 5. Again we have last 3 digits 0 plus 0 plus 2. How much? It will be 2. Now this is the answer. So cancel this 2. There is no 3 digits available. So the process stops here. So the answer will be 28,194. Okay. Let's do one more problem. So let us try this 30th problem. 825 multiplied with 111. And again we are going to use double knot sandwich rule. So make 2 zeros at starting, 2 zeros at ending. And there are 3 ones available here as a multiplicand. So we are selecting 3 digits each time, last 3 digits each time, and we will add all those 3 digits together and the sum will be our answer. 5 plus 0 plus 0, it will be 5. Cancel the last 0 and again from last select 3 digits. 2 plus 5 plus 0, it will be 7. Again cancel the last digit, move backward, select again 3 digits. 8 plus 2 plus 5, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 5 15. So 5 will be written here as an answer and 2 will be carry forwarded. This 5 got cancelled. Now select 3 digits 0, 8, 2. It will be 10 and 10, this carry forwarded 2 will be added to this sum. 10 plus 2, 12. So 2 will be here and 1 will be carry forwarded. Cancel this 2 from here. Now select the last 3 digits 0, 0, 8. It will be 8 itself. 8, this carry forwarded number 1. Then it will be 9. Cancel this 8. There is no 3 digits available. The sub procedure will be ends here. So the answer will be 92,575. If you are not a subscriber, please do subscription. Take subscription, just subscribe. It will take only 1 minute and give a like and comment your answers. Do these problems. Okay, which one you like? Do the problems, at least one problem. Do it yourself and send your comment on send your answer as a comment. Okay. So now we will do this problem 44. So it will be 898 multiplied by 111. Take 2 zeros at starting and 2 zeros at ending and add last 3 digits every time. 8 plus 0 plus 0, it will be 8. Cancel this last 0. Select the last 3 digits again. 9 plus 8 plus 0, 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 0, 17 itself. So 7 here, 1 will be carry forwarded. Now cancel this 0. Again select the last 3 digits. Because 3 ones is there, so you have to select 3 digits. If 4 ones is there, then you have to select 4 digits each time. Okay, that is the procedure. That is the trick. It was very easy. Now, 8 plus 9 plus 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. And this one. 25 plus 1, 26. So, 6 here, 2 will be carry forwarded. Cancel this 8 from here. Now, again select 3 digits. 0 plus 8 plus 9. This is 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 9 here, 1 will be carry forwarded. Cancel this 9 from here. And 0, 0, 8 is 8 itself. 8 plus 1 is 9. So, the answer is 99,678. So 99678. Now try the remaining problems, okay, as your choice, and answer as a comment. Send your answer as a comment. Thanks in advance. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Keep in touch with me. Bye bye.